What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today I have a different request from you guys. You've been asking about UFO361 a lot in the past, and today as well you want to know how to create that kind of artistic, more graphic design style that he does on his pictures. And today we want to create this exactly right here, his profile picture, and it's by, I think, by a photographer slash graphic designer named Devereaux. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. And it's really hard to do on the mobile phone only. It's more of a Photoshop and more professional edit. But I found a way how to recreate this look using your mobile phone and the free Over app and the free Lightroom app only. And I want to show you how to get as close to this look as possible by creating this one right here today. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell if you want to see more of these videos in the future. And of course, if you have any questions or just new requests for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always excited to hear from you guys. I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to do is take your picture, of course, probably in a more darker indoor setting, as in the studio in this case, with some lights turned on, and that's why I chose this picture right here, also of UFO361, as the base, because it just comes super close to the setting. He's also in the studio, and I think, to me, it looks like this picture was taken on a mobile phone. Now, first of all, we open this in the free Lightroom app, and then we just want to create that quick color look that he uses on his picture. I've created a preset on this. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets. And the cool thing about the all presets pack is that every time I create new presets like this one today, it's automatically updated to the link. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get free presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. So yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna apply this preset to give it that color look. And then we're gonna export the file. And now we wanna take this picture into the free Over app, and I wanna show you in depth how to create and apply those futuristic looks, the futuristic face onto this picture. Now, I've done a part of the work for you guys. I've created this free overlay for you, which is linked under the video. So go ahead and download this right now. And then we open the Over app, hit the plus, hit image on the left, open your image, in this case the UFO361 image, hit the check mark on the upper right side, hit image again on the bottom left, choose this face overlay that you've just downloaded, and now just place it on top of the face with both fingers. Make sure that it fits the face perfectly right there. And now you go on edit and scroll all the way to the right side where it says mask. Right there on the right side. Now choose the soft circle, the second one, and now you can start erasing around the image. Just erase those areas that you don't want to see. So he has the half of the face covered only. Zoom in a little bit and get the details right as well. Now you can just do as you feel, whatever you like. Just erase as much as you like, maybe a little bit inside the face as well. Right here around the mouth. And if you make a mistake or you accidentally erase too much, you can always down here just choose the circle to the right and make those areas reappear. Then choose the second circle again and you can just start erasing again. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this now real quick, however I like. And then hit it again, the image, go to edit. And now what you want to do is go to blend, and now all the way over to hard light. This will just make it even contrastier. Then go to edit again, and now you choose blur in the menu down here and push that up, and it will just blur the edges a little bit, make it look a little more realistic. Around here is perfect in this case. Hit the check mark, hit image, choose the face again, and now you just want to make sure that the rest of the picture also gets some of this effect. So you just position it where you like it, and now again we'll do the same thing over. Just draw around the face, erase around until you can't really see the face anymore. Just leave some spots there. And same thing, blending mode, hard light, and then add some blur, and it's done. And this is it, guys. Once again, here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this real edit, keeping in mind that we're only using our smartphone and some free apps. Now, of course, the real look is created very professionally by Devereaux, that photographer, graphic designer, and for sure he's using big software, professional, expensive software, but we just had our mobile phone and some free apps. So I'm super happy with this video. I like the result. I hope you guys too. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, as I said in the beginning, I've created that preset for you guys. It's in the all presets pack. Link is under this video with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. I am updating this pack on a weekly basis, so make sure to get it. A link is under this video, and you'll have a growing preset pack. It's a great deal. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if there's anything you need, any questions that you have or requests, ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay creative, peace.